In this lab, I'll be configuring this devices to have SSH secure share ability. Yeah, I'm also going to configure a default IP address so system can be secured. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to get in the CLI of the router. I'm going to go router. I'm going to go enable. The password, since we're configuring the Cisco device, is going to be Cisco. Cisco lowercase. All right, so the password has been accepted. So we're going to look at the iOS file, and we're going to use the command show version to make sure it's K9 encrypted. Right here, you see Cisco 2911K9. So it's K9 encrypted. Now we're going to configure the host name. Let's see. We'll conf T, the host name. And the host name is going to be R1. That's the router one. IP domain, set the domain name. Example. So generating the secret key, the crypto key is going to be key generate pro SA. So it gives us a 520 key, but that's not enough. So we're gonna just go the 1024, which is the minimum for a system to consider secured, SSH secured, 1024. So it's generating the SSH key now. How many hits is it gonna do? Generates 20 bits. RS key will be non-exponent. So it's generating now. Enter one more time. All right. So SSH 5 enabled has been 1.99 has been enabled. So our system is the SSH key has been generated and it seems secure now. Now we're gonna configure the VTY, which is like a virtual terminal, which allows administrator to get into a system and configure it. So we're gonna do a VTY line. So line VTY 015. Oh, I think we got R1. So it's gonna be line VTY 015. All right, VTY line. I can see it's changed now from just config to config line. Then we're gonna do transport input SSH. Then we're gonna do login local. So the local login. So we're trying to like not use the default Cisco password. So we're just gonna ignore that by doing no password Cisco. So what this does is it disables the default password that came with it. So now our system is using SSH and no longer the general password. So now we have to set like a timeout. What this setting does is whenever your system goes idle for say more than 60 seconds, it kind of shuts down. You're gonna have to SSH back in to get into the system. So I'm gonna do IP SSH timeout 60 seconds. Then you can see the system is using SSH version 1.9. So we're trying to make it use the latest version, which is version 2. So we're gonna put IP SSH version 2. And then we have to create a username. Admin, then secret password is gonna be Nest. Let's see. So everything has been entered now at this point. We're gonna have to get out of configuration mode by entering end. So we ended the session. Now we're gonna transition to the admin PC. So now we're gonna have to SSH from the admin PC. Let's see. I'm gonna go to command prompt. So we're gonna do SSH space, then dash. Let's see. Then hell for login. Then space admin. We're logging in as admin. Then the IP address for the router. We're logging into the router. Remember, the IP address for the router is 192.168.2.1. I'm gonna enter. Then asking we created a secret password. And that is Nest. Then SSH again because we got timed out. SSH L admin IP 192.168.2.1. Password is yeah, and then the default password is enable password. Let's just go. All right, that's how we're able to SSH it to our secure system. The alternative would be Tenet, which is like plain text. It's not secure. So in a production environment, I mean, Tenet SSH is always encouraged because it's like more secure. It's kind of has a lot of cryptographic into it that secure the system from intruders. So that's how you're able to configure SSH in a Cisco environment. Thank you.